resonator, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I tested the fuck out of it. I never actually tested them at speed. I'll say that right now. That's the brakes out. We had good brakes. Amazing. This is amazing. It's so fucking loud. Was there anything else that was louder than this at any point?
It won't let me do anything now.
Hold on. Oh, if you wanted to do fun stuff, I would have put it in dyno mode first.
Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, you're just turning around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if I can make the transmission slip. It can't hurt, right?
Sure. No.
Doesn't seem to be slipping.
I hear the power steering pump. Limp mode?
It won't shift. I tell you that.
Limp mode.
It won't shift. It won't go past 4,000.
It's an... I don't know. Oh, I wonder if the ESP is bad.
Hand out the door because we have to turn.
The fucking lights... Oh no, the lights don't work.
Yeah, you think I would have fucking tried the blinkers if they worked, dumbass? Oh, they do work. What the fuck?
Well, no, but the rear taillights aren't plugged in. They do work, but the rear taillights are not plugged in.
Bro, why the fuck? Whatever.
Because they would kill the battery. One of the lights are on permanently.
So anyway, it's in limbo.
Maybe. It would say if it's in limp mode. I don't know if it's not
Stop
saying
the
it.
car too low.
It might have to do with that. It might honestly have to do with that. Wait, is this... Oh, I know. So it is not actually slipping. It's going to limp mode, or it has to be the ESP module. Okay.
No, we haven't got no gears, Lieutenant Dan.
ESP. It has to. Okay, it's doing exactly what the 430 did. Okay, I'm so glad I know what the problem is now.
Well, go grab the fucking ML.
Oh.
Hey.